Hey guys, nice to see you again. Let's start drawing. This time I will draw a hot anime boy with muscular hands and neck, but a baby face. Such a sunny boy with blonde hair and watery eyes. I use a free drawing app called Sketchbook. Its felt tip pen is a good brush to draw outlines. To make a hot anime boy cool and sexy, we need to draw his eyes narrow and long. On the other hand, rounded big eyes with curved lines will make your anime character appear younger and cuter. If you want to know more details about how to sketch the outlines, please watch the beginner step-by-step drawing tutorials that are listed in the description. Now we have reached the most difficult part, drawing hair. Please have a look of the left-hand side reference photo. All his hair comes down from the top center of his head. For this style of hair, we first decide how thick the hair is by drawing the most outside of the hair. Then divide the hair as sections and separate each big section into smaller sections. We also need to make each smaller sections go to slightly different directions so they can intersect with each other. After drawing the outlines, our next step is to fill in base colors for his skin, eyes, hair, and clothes. You may find these colors are inconsistent and conflicting to each other, but don't worry. Once you fill in shadows and highlights in the next step, they will appear in harmony. Did you notice the shadow underneath his neck is slightly darker than the rest of the shading on his neck? How did I draw it? First, I lock the shadow layer so I can only spray on the pixels that already have color. Then I pick a darker color and use the flow airbrush to spray underneath his neck. In the description, my intermediate tutorials have a dedicated video to talk about how to draw eyes. I didn't bother to draw the strawberry in his mouth. I used a real photo instead. The background color that I added temporarily can help me to see clearly and erase the strawberry into the size precisely. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.